And if we're off her territory, this other crocodile territory is a bit further up, they may have a go. Here we go, here's Scary. Watch his body language here. Submissive poses. Oh, look at him, getting a bit aggro. He's just going, no, I don't want it all. Yeah. See, it's my show. You better do something good for it, pal. Here we go. Come on, Scary. Not getting it unless you do something. It's been a bit. Go on, Scary. See? He's just trying to lure me in. Drop that down. There's Fang. See what I mean? That male's just pulled his head up out of the water. See him there with a white tooth? That's a big, about a 4.2 metre male. Might be. And there's Croc. I haven't seen that Croc for 2 months. It's just turned up. Dominator might be here in a minute too. You never know what's going to happen here. It often pays to wait. Fangy's getting a bit of a back arch going on there. He's showing he's a bit of, you know, annoyed, and he wants to come in here. This crocodile's watching him. They've got peripheral, about 70% peripheral vision. Their eyesight's straight ahead, like binocular, but they have this amazing peripheral. They're very aware of what's going on. Look at this guy coming in. Putting the aggro on. Putting the aggro on. We'll see what happens here. Very interesting. Keep your eye on, keep your videos going if I was you guys. He's going to attack this guy. He may just attack him or he might just take off. Who knows? Scary's starting to get a bit worried. He's not thinking about that food so much. Very unusual to see that out of that crocodile. It's just showing he's annoyed now. He's taken off, I think. He's under here somewhere. You see Scary going a bit quiet. Look at that. You know why? He can feel the presence of them. There he is there. They can feel the presence of other crocodiles in the water around them. They've got incredibly good sensory organs, crocodiles. They've got pressure sensory and vibration sensory organs. It's not very well understood apparently in the scientific world, but I saw the young lady who's doing a PhD in alligators. They've got very similar in their evolutionary makeup. So, we hear the growling? Yep. Yeah, these two might have a Barney. He's going to back off, look. This guy's putting heavies in. Yeah, time to go. Let's see what happens. He might just turn around and go, oh, that's right, catfish. Catfish, see that, kids?
Yeah. Wow. Double food.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh.
Right. There you go. Just stir Scary up. Not game to have a go. Oh, Fang Ewan. Look at the teeth on Fang. Nice younger male crocodile. Bit bigger. Here comes Scary again. We're going to have a little face off here, these two. Very confident crocodile, this one here. I noticed last time I was around, it was scooping around Dominator's area. I wasn't too concerned. Probably hasn't had a good belting from a big Croc before.
Yeah.
Look at that, kids.
Oh, wow.
There you go. You got it. The water's full of food. Food everywhere. I mean, crocodiles eat a lot and there's food everywhere. There's something that does bump in them, they're going to eat it. Yeah, the catfish here, the crocs, see the crocs, they come up to them, they know there's food scraps around them. Everything's, look, here we go again. Yellow, golden catfish. They get very big as well. Now, crocodiles often put their food. Oops. Crocodiles often put their food up in a embankment on a low tide mark, a big animal on that. Once they finish feeding on it, they actually leave it there And once it gets a bit rotten, they won't. That's enough. We've got enough of that. They've feasted on that animal. They'll leave that food there and attract secondary food sources, catfish and crabs and all this sort of stuff. So they're a smart predator, big time. They're really smart.
Is it hidden? Or is it out loud?
Bird, you can hear some whistling kites.
Wow.
Try and get this side, get it? Have a look at it. It's going to change size, guys.